Welcome. If you've ever wondered where your Facebook account is logged in, or want to make sure your account is secure, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to find your entire logged-in history on Facebook using your PC, following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log in with your credentials if you aren't already signed in. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll want to select Settings and Privacy. This will open up a new list of options. From this list, click on Activity Log. The Activity Log is where Facebook keeps a detailed record of your actions and interactions on the platform. Now, on the left-hand side of the Activity Log, you'll see several categories. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Where You're Logged In. Click on this option. This is the area where Facebook displays every device and location where your account is currently logged in. You'll see a list of devices, including computers, phones, and tablets, along with the locations and the last active times. This is incredibly helpful for spotting any unfamiliar activity. If you notice any device or location you don't recognize, you can immediately take action by logging out of that session directly from this page. Reviewing this list regularly is a great way to keep your account secure. If you ever suspect that someone else has accessed your Facebook, this is the first place you should check. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can see everywhere your Facebook account is logged in and make sure that only you have access. Don't forget to log out of any sessions you don't recognize, and consider changing your password for extra security. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Stay safe online, and see you in the next video.